Costillas. Isa po akong Microsoft Certified Solution Associate, BI Reporting. Isa rin po akong MOS Master and MOS Excel Expert. So, sa trabaho ko po dito, isa rin po akong Discrete Event Simulation Modeler. So, kung wala pa po kayong idea about Discrete Event Simulation, so gumagawa po kami ng mga models. So, we're trying to improve po yung mga system and processes na meron kayo existing. So we put that in a computer dynamic model and then we'll try to improve po yung ating system. Alright, so yan po ang ating introduction. Alright, so we'll go straight now sa ating introduction sa Excel. So bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng konting idea about some terminologies. So to be honest, hindi po kasi ako more on dun sa theory, more on sa practical po tayo. So bigyan ko lang po kayo ng idea about workbook and worksheet. So sometimes po kasi parang nako-confuse po yung iba, workbook and worksheet, ano po ba yun? Okay, so in simplest term, pag sinabing workbook po or worksheet pala muna, okay, this is just a collection of cells. Okay, it is the spreadsheet. So kung mapapansin nyo sa baba ng ating worksheet tabs, meron po tayong 1, 2, 2.1, 2.2. So lahat po ito ay tinatawag nating worksheet. So we are now in worksheet 1. Okay, and then kapag sa workbook naman po, when we say workbook, it is in simplest term, ito po yung file itself. So we're using the Excel Training Day 1 workbook. So yan po siya. Alright, so next, bilisan lang po natin ang konti dito kasi it's very basic one. Alright, so active cell. Alright, so pag sinabi nating active cell, ito po yung currently selected po natin. So ngayon ay nakaselect po tayo sa M9, cell M9. So we can see from our name box here, sa ating here, kung nakikita niyo po ang aking mouse pointer. Alright, makikita niyo na nandito po tayo sa M9. Okay? And then when we talk about cell reference, ito yung usually na magagamit natin sa formula. So sometimes kapag ikaw ay referring to isang cell, so makikita natin sa ating formula bar, it's equals M17. It means that we are referring to a certain specific cell. So that's M17. Alright, so when it comes to cell range, okay, so it's just a collection of cells. So parang kung you are referring to an array or cell range nga po. So makikita natin in the formula bar, we are referring to a cell range from O11 to O21. So ito po siya. So mapapansin nyo, ayan, nakaselect po. Ayan. So yan ang difference po ng active cell, cell reference, and cell range. Alright, so for the third one, yung function and then yung formula po. Okay, so madalas po kasi nagkakaroon ng confusion about kung ano po ba gagamitin natin, kung function po ba siya or formula. Alright, pag sinabi po kasi nating function, ito po yung specific na item na gagamitin natin in our formula. So let's say, pag sinabi nating sum, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, or average, or anything like that, if you are just referring to a specific function without using it in a formula, it's just function. Okay? So, sa atin po nito, function po ang ginagamit natin ay sum. Now, kapag ginamit na po natin siya sa formula, alright, makikita nyo na ngayon equals sum, and then yung range po natin, yung numbers na included po dyan, or sinama po natin sa syntax, sa parameters, then it's now a formula na. Okay.